The second Global Digital Trade Expo is underway in China's Hangzhou, showcasing various digital innovations, technologies, and services. The expo themed Digital Trade Global Access has attracted dozens of international organizations and business associations, as well as over 800 enterprises.
都在稳定的增长啊，去年的话应该是8000多万，让更多的人了解我们的这个末端家具，然后看一下我们现在自动化相当于达到一个什么样的级别。
一般市面上就是和能达到我们同类级别的这种手的话，其实也就是说，就国外的品牌啊，他们基本上的售价就能达到是60到70万人民币。然后我们这个主打的一个就是在国内，那我们这个价格是会控制在就是20万以内。
是浙江实验室自己研发的仿人钢琴演奏机器人，它的名字叫做小月，现在呢是第3代，它能够精准的实现这个弹奏能力。现在的话，它已经能够实现30多首不同风格的曲目了，难度的话也已经可以弹奏5级难度的曲目。
More than 100 activities are expected to take place at the expo, as well as the debuts of over 100 cutting-edge products and services in digital trade. A Chinese Commerce Ministry official said, the expo is an important platform to propel digital trade, a public good to promote global digital economy cooperation, and a significant measure to build an open world economy.